The next page we'll be going to is My Conversation. My Conversation provides you an overview of the presence information for your colleagues within the business. When you first go to this page, it will say you have no saved contacts. You can choose to add contacts by selecting the plus icon in the bottom corner here. You can choose to either select everybody within the entire organisation, or you can choose to select an individual and press save. Once the page is refreshed, it will show them as an entry in here. Once they're on this page, you can hover over their name and either click, or if you're using a touch device, use your finger to move these around into the particular order you want them to be in. This provides you their presence information, both in a visual colour aid, but also in text. It shows you the number that they are best to get hold of them on. And I can also select the initials, or if they've uploaded a picture, it will appear here. And it will initiate a call to the number that is denoted here as well. By selecting the three dots, I can choose to either remove them from my list, send them an email, send them an instant message, look at all the contact information stored on the system about them, including their mobile number if available, or choose to use a button here to either invite them to my conference room or to join their conference room. Once they have been added onto here, they will appear as your favourite contacts on instant messaging. They will also appear on the home page in your My Contacts section. You can choose to change the aesthetics of this page by clicking the colour scheme button and choosing to have either a green background, a white background, or the original multicolour background. This is purely down to aesthetics and your personal preference. If you choose to have many contacts on this page, you can then choose to filter or search them by either typing in the name you're interested in, choosing the group, which is the team or department they work within, or if working across multiple locations, a specific site. In addition, you can change this from your custom list that you have chose by dragging and dropping people into a particular order, and instead move them into an A to Z format by either first name or surname. At the top of the page here is another reference to your conference room. This means if I hover over the name of Mary Sue and choose to drag her contact card into this top box, I can invite them to my conference room by simply letting go of the mouse or remove my finger from the screen. In addition, it gives me quick access to the URL link for my conference room, and also the option to click the plus icon to type in a name or a contact number to bring somebody into my conference room also. Referring back to our earlier section where we discussed in the account profile that you can turn instant dial on and choose which device will be your primary device, this is denoted in the top right hand corner here. So currently, anyone that's chosen to select the training account's name would direct their calls to extension 4004, which is the live communication phone, the browser-based soft phone that is available. If as a user I choose to wish to have all my calls routed to my cloud phone, my mobile app, instead, I simply drag and drop it as appropriate to move that to the top of the list.